Hello and welcome to another review in the Construction Tech Reviews CTR. So this time we have brought up a very important component in the entire valuation of construction industry, that is quality. And today we picked up a company called DigiQC, so, which is digitizing quality. It's a best quality control software for construction. Cool. Empowering construction excellence through quality. So specifically focused on quality, right, through digital inspection, companies, accessibility through mobile app. So I'm sure we will have to download a mobile app. So meanwhile, Sachin, can you download the DGQC mobile app?
Yes. So it's only a mobile app first.
Yeah, of course. I think since this is basically no, this is a both dashboard as well as mobile also. But since you need to be on site, you need to be clicking pictures and inspecting the
Yeah.
quality.
Got
You will need, uh, see, this is how it is going to happen.
got it.
All these people
DigiQC.
can do, yeah, a lot of things in quality. And coincidentally, what happened is, I happen to know the founder and I have requested for an access, to them. So we don't need to schedule a demo. We can simply go and log into DGQC and start playing around with it. Okay. I do have the email login. So let me, can you see my screen? This ID and password. We are logged into this dashboard. So this is the entire dashboard for quality inspection. So you can see, Sachin, we have the trial projects, we have the people who are inspector, then agency, then we can analyze the project. There's a beautiful dashboard here. Uh, User wise, also shuttering work has got 3 problems, lab, civil has got 15, RCC has got 7, and the failed inspection as well. I would have liked much more if the failed inspection would have came in red color. Don't you think? UI point of view, this should have been highlighted much more. I mean, in the red
I'm
color.
first trying to figure out what the platform itself is. I think so. So quality checklist is what we can prepare on this. Am I correct? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Can I also put in sort of, let's say, can I also create SOPs for quality, and then so what does this do?
So simply what I've understood is basically, let's say your concreting is going on, and you need to check and approve what
Hmm.
the things are currently happening, on paper or through verbal approval, right, on ground.
Hmm.
This
Yeah,
helps you bringing things much more digitally and putting a real-time picture into it as a proof, right? So whatever is happening is 100% transparent, and you can identify, before something goes south. So this is the report, and this is the to-do. I've understood the dashboard. Now, since
got it.
you have logged in as a inspector, right? Can
Inspector,
you
yes.
show your screen and walk us through how does that look? I'm stopping my screen. Can you show?
Yeah, so let me quickly log into the thing again.
Meanwhile,
Please accept.
okay,
Yeah, please
yeah.
accept the thing. Yeah. Share screen.
Okay, nice. Hello, Inspector One. You have done 31 inspection, 20 inspection to the next level. Okay, so they are incentivizing. So they are also incentivizing, the more inspection, which is good, which is good. Uh,
Yeah.
To do, approve, pause, redo. So there is two redo and then trial promise. Okay, nice. First one is dashboard. What is the second one? I cannot read. What is the second one? Can you?
It is inspection.
It is inspection. So actual work. So somebody has already assigned you the work. Is it?
True, true,
Okay,
true.
and you can add also. You can add. So let's add. Please add. Okay, trial project. Yes, project is there's only one project available in the PCC. So you enter column number or it is. You'll have to tell the location. Okay. Now the checklist that you were talking about, checkpoints. Is sub-base soil properly compacted and prepared for start of PCC work? Yes. And you can photo, you can type, and you can skip also. Okay. Nice. Take a picture. Done. Is sub-base soil compact and prepared for the start of PCC work? Yes. Okay, the same question. What is the grade of the concrete mentioned in drawing for PCC? So I will check the drawing and then I can photo it and then upload. Good. M15. And then what is the quantity? Planned. Okay. Let's say 3 MQ. And can you, okay. So select approvers if you want to notify. Click on the options whom I can send. Project admin one. Okay. Noted. Well done. This EQC stage has been sent for approval. View approval detail. Please click there. Oh, that's okay. That's how I have logged in. So I will go and check. But let's play around something, with something more. Can I delete this inspection? No, I cannot delete, right? I can share and I can download. You can also raise safety issues, which is nice. Oh, it is geo-based as well. So you can raise issue as well, which is good. Go next. To do. To be approved. Uh, okay. Cool. Is there anything else that you can do, Inspector? What is the notification? Okay. So if I have assigned you from as a manager, you can do a couple of things, right? Go down, please. Right. So can you stop sharing your screen, Sachin? I think we have a fair idea of what this thing can do. App. What is your first thought about the app and it holds?
Yeah, so I like the fact that there are three distinct features of inspection, approval, and checklists, and also a lot of information related to your every specific site. So I think from the perspective of just the three major functions inside of quality control or quality assurance uh, globe, I think this is pretty good. And even the fact that there is geotagging, even when I click a picture, there was a thing which the time was printed on the was stamped on the picture. I think those kind of things are very, very important so that there's transparency, total transparency as to when was this picture clicked. So in increasing the transparency, I think it's pretty good. And also the fact that this whole user experience was pretty smooth. it was not complex, and you know, and it had a lot of features, a ton of features. Notification was there, approver was there, so I could also get the contact number of the approver, the email address of the approver. So if he's not approving or there's some problem, if there's some hiccup, I can call them directly and sort of
Yeah.
get the bottleneck sorted. So pretty good, pretty good. I'm impressed with what I saw. What do you think?
So I think from a purely product perspective, the UI is very simple, right?
Yeah.
I should say the UX is simple. UI
Mm-hmm.
can be improved a little bit, like adding some a little bit of colors, like whatever is wrong is red, whatever is not conforming to the standards. And ideally, I would also have a place where that inspector have the ability to see the drawings, because it asked you, okay, is your
Mm-hmm.
PCC a mix
Mm-hmm.
as per drawing, how much M15, M30, or whatever is defined, right?
Yeah.
So maybe having an option of storing the drawings would help. I know that's a product feature, but then it will help, right? Also, if since they are using geotag, if they can, geotag that exact same thing to the drawing, that would make
Right.
much more sense. But that these are all
Right.
new product feature from my perspective. But the current product that they built is absolutely very good, very simple for a site
Absolutely.
supervisor.
Absolutely. In fact, the dashboard in the inspectors app that I downloaded, the
Yeah, that will
dashboard is
come back.
very good.
That we
Yeah.
will come
The,
back and check it again. But for
yeah.
now, if you ask me for a very simple site supervisor inspector, the thing that they have built is very clean, very
Absolutely.
simple.
Absolutely.
Maybe having a simple home or a dashboard is something that they can add with a task list that you need to check this. Rest everything is very good. Let's check the
Absolutely.
manager side and the analysis of what they can do.
Yep. 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 I'm looking forward.
I'm sharing my screen again, and hopefully, if you can see.
Yeah.
Let's go to the trial project one. You had the trial project one or trial project?
I was in trial project. I was in trial project. No, trial project, not one.
Okay, so this is just the dashboard. We'll go to the project. We'll go to trial project. Okay,
Yeah.
TP set. I can see the uh,
Yeah.
you know the
The thing that
inquiry.
I added.
Yes. So you basically did the inspection. It is now for my approval, right? So let's see what all summary it has prepared. It's a cubic meter. It is in progress. Pre. So this is before the casting. Okay. And approval is pending. I can comment here. Is sub-base soil? Yes. And I can see the picture.
Awesome.
Okay. And approvals comment. I cannot put a comment here. I'm not sure why. Okay, let's see. Let's see. See M15. Okay. But what do I do? This is one thing which is like I'm getting confused here a little bit. What should I do? It is just for viewing, or I was supposed to be the approver?
I think this is just for viewing. Uh, Not really sure. Slightly confusing here.
Yeah. So the dashboard, I think they need to make it easy. A lot of good
Mm-hmm.
things are here, but then it's all confusing. Okay, let me go to to do. Okay, this is my to do. Okay, from here I get the approval link. Oh my God.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right. And okay. I think this is the checkpoint. Okay. So I checked, I saw your comment, and comment is okay. Right. So this is now coming as pass.
Yeah. And then just approve it. I think you just have to approve it going forward.
Okay. If I want to redo, and then simply I
So
can
the
add a
status
redo.
pass is what I have approved, right? So as an inspector, I've passed it. As an
You have passed
approver,
it.
you go through the whole thing and then just say approve. And I think at that point I
Yes.
should be getting a notification on my phone. Let's do it. Let's say approve. Let's see if
Okay, I will approve and then stop my screen. Okay, are you sure that you want to put approve this EQC stage? Yes. See, You have 5 more approved. That is okay, brother.
Yes, I got a notification which says
Okay, please share your screen.
approved. Yeah, just a second. Okay, here we go. Sharing my screen. Yeah, sharing my screen. Yeah, I got a notification which says TP set.
TP seed approved.
Yeah, by project admin one with
Okay, just
comment.
click it. Just click the same notification. Where does it take us?
It says
This is
approved.
approved. Click it. Now there are comments. Okay. Okay. Go next. What now? What? Pass.
We've passed it.
Okay. We have passed it. Nice. So that way, I think I will share my screen again. Okay. Now this is available for you to start working. Now let me reshare my screen again and let us see what all can be done next. Right. So this was the thing on this, and I can go back and review also. Right. Now that is lost. Okay. Let's see reports. Okay. User wise, inspector. I want to see your report. Okay. CSV format. They will give us the report.
Okay. So
Agency
the report
wise,
would include all the requests that I've raised, all the checklists that I've worked on.
I think log, latest log or count. That's what they are
No.
giving. Let's see. There's no
Mm-hmm.
data. I think I'll have to select everything.
No,
So I'm not sure what to do with this. But let's say I want to download the.
I think you'll need to wait. I think you'll need to wait until it gets
No, you will be able to download reports for the projects in which you are project admin. So I might not be project admin here. That's okay.
maybe.
Okay. So these are the logs. I can see the logs here. Okay, this is in progress, which we have seen.
What's the
Let's.
pricing? What's the pricing of this software? How much are they charging?
It is. I think. Why it want me to log in? I want to see the PCCTP. So this is the
Report.
the thing that you generated. 451 by
Mm-hmm.
inspector one, trial agencies, whatever. This is the
Mm-hmm.
photograph, pass. Photograph, pass. And approver name would also be there, right? This is the
Pretty
agency who is doing
interesting.
the job. Pankaj Ratsar is a trial agency doing the job here. Pretty good, very good. I mean, you can say you can, because a lot of construction companies in India, want this thing to be physically tracked and recorded, so they can use it. So
Makes
good.
sense. I,
Uh,
I like the fact that there's a to-do list and you can just go to to-do and perform all your activities from there. So that's pretty good.
yes, but I would, if you ask me, what I would ideally do is I would improve this dashboard a little bit. Put to do immediately, after the dashboard, so that user knows, okay, immediately after dashboard, I have to click here, right? And then put projects and then reports and logs at the end. So product wise, I'll do these changes. Let's see the profile. Okay, basic UI. So their focus is, keeping it very simple as far as I can understand. Okay, and I can do user analysis also.
Mm-hmm.
So civil PCC work, you have found out 11. You were inspector one, right? I think inspector one in the trial project, you have identified PCC में 15 errors.
Mm-hmm.
Basic data analysis. Good, pretty simple and straightforward.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think this is the end of all the things that we can do here. No, you can issue also. Wait, see. Now this is the real thing. I can create uh, you know your, let's say I came inside project one, trial project,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and I
Mm-hmm.
can create issues, checklists. See, this is the checklist. You did PCC, right?
Correct.
So these were the questions.
Yes.
I think you can add questions also.
So I think this whole thing is customizable, right? So you can add as many questions as you want, and the
Yeah,
whole thing is customizable.
the whole thing is
So
customizable.
based on the project, you can create your own checklists, and it's pretty good.
Yeah, and they have a very good new thing called nomenclature,
Hmm.
right? So you can define what is the target, how many agencies. Okay, civil guy is this trial agency, Pankaj, 5 users. Okay, so this is project level access. Mm. See, you can add a checklist pre, during, post. You can maybe add as well,
Hmm.
and you can change the order of the question as well. Not authorized, but yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm currently having very limited access, but this is the customization that is available with DigiQC.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
So
It's
pretty
good that
nice.
a lot of things are not authorized, which means that if you have a super admin access, then I think a lot of if you become their customer, I think they'll give you a lot of access to advanced level customizations and stuff like that, which is great.
Yes, yes, yes. So coming back, what do you think about the DGQC? Let's collate our thoughts around both the app and the dashboard that we have seen.
Yeah, I like the fact that the app has great dashboard. First of all, the app itself has a dashboard where it's all a summary, so that's pretty good. And it's very user friendly, so you don't really need someone with expert level knowledge in using these kind of apps. It's just very simple, straightforward. So that's pretty good. And I thought the whole the range of features that it's offering, I think in terms of quality assurance and control, it's covering everything. You saw checklists, you saw a- approval module, you saw information module. Notification came right on time. The moment you approved, I got the notification. uh, I can upload and click pictures. So I think all in all, uh, if I'm a contractor and I want to get my quality control centralized, I would definitely use DigiQC, and I would probably rate it about 8 on 10.
Oh, that's a very good rating. So I would rate this as again 8 out of 10 because of the need of this
Yeah.
software and the fact that it is only focused on quality. That's the advantage. Otherwise, we have seen other apps also who does everything, but not a focused quality. That's a pro and
Yeah.
con. It's like a double-edged sword.
Yeah.
What I actually didn't like is the simplicity,
Hmm.
the clean and the minimum UI, the ease to supervisor. What
Yeah.
what they can improve is the user experience in terms of what comes after. UX is something that they
Hmm.
can improve. Like
Hmm.
as a user, I would ideally want things to be flowing much easy. They've done a tremendous job, 99% easy,
Yeah.
but that
We have a combined score of 8 on 10. Given the three things, given that the need is very high, and I don't think there are a lot of competitors in India or even the global market for that matter, which is a specialized QA/QC kind of tool. Uh, Ease of use was spoken about. UI/UX was very well made, and the features were very good. So, 8 on 10. I think that's the review for DigiQC, and it's been amazing reviewing this product. All the best to the company, and uh, like, share, and subscribe. to this channel so that we can bring you out more such products in the market and